Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we will explore one of the most exciting topics in the world of artificial intelligence, types of neural networks. We will discuss various kinds of neural networks, such as convolutional and recurrent networks, and explore their applications in different fields. Additionally, we'll provide tips on how to choose the right type of neural network for your project. Let's get started. Types of neural networks. There are many types of neural networks, but today we'll focus on the most common and popular ones. Convolutional neural networks, CNN. The first type is convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. They are specifically designed for processing and analyzing images. Unlike regular neural networks, which work with flat data, CNNs can consider spatial relationships between pixels in an image. This makes them ideal for computer vision tasks such as object recognition, image classification, and face detection. A successful application of convolutional networks can be seen in autonomous driving, where they help recognize road signs and pedestrians, as well as in medical diagnostics, where CNNs can analyze MRI and X-ray images. Recurrent neural networks, RNN. The next type is recurrent neural networks, or RNNs. They are designed for processing sequences of data, such as text, sound, and time series. RNNs have an internal memory that allows them to take into account previous elements of a sequence when processing the current one. This makes them especially useful for natural language processing tasks, such as text translation, text generation, and sentiment analysis. One interesting application of RNNs is in automatic translation systems like Google Translate, which can translate text from one language to another in real time. Other types of neural networks. In addition to CNNs and RNNs, there are other important types of neural networks. Autoencoders, these networks are used for dimensionality reduction and noise removal. They are often applied in data compression and image reconstruction tasks. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. These networks consist of two parts, a generator and a discriminator. They work together to create new realistic data, such as generating images, music, or videos. GANs have become particularly popular in the field of synthetic content creation. How to choose the right type of neural network. So, how do you choose the right type of neural network for your project? It all depends on the task you want to solve. If your task involves image processing, such as facial recognition or photo classification, choose convolutional neural networks. They excel at analyzing visual information and identifying key features. If you need to work with sequential data, such as text or audio, recurrent neural networks are a better choice. They can consider context and history, which is important for understanding and generating sequences. If you want to create or modify data, such as generating new images or enhancing video quality, consider using generative adversarial networks. They are well suited for creative tasks. For tasks involving dimensionality reduction and data compression, autoencoders can be a good option. Neural networks provide incredible opportunities for solving a wide variety of tasks. Choosing the right type of network is the key to successfully implementing a project. We hope this overview has helped you better understand the different types of neural networks and their applications. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a like. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.